Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Spacious and Versatile Living in Ensom City, St. Catherine. This impressive 6 bedrooms, 4 bathroom, 2-story house features 3 ensuite bedrooms on the upper floor, a covered patio, and a rooftop balcony. The ground level comprises with 3 additional bedrooms, an open concept living and dining room, office space, patio, and a convenient carport. Located in close proximity to a new shopping mall and just a short 20 minutes drive from Kingston, this property offers the perfect combination of comfort, flexibility, and convenience. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.